Welcome to Higala Ridge.
Abot ng mga lagad. Hey everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Welcome back to our channel.
MJ22 Adventures.
It's been a long while. So today we are going someplace to chill, and at the same time our test ride with our new Cardo intercom connected with our GoPro and 360. So
The place that we're going to is just a place where you can see or you can witness the sundown, where you also have a view of the city. So medyo pabukid na gamay while everyone is in Bukidnon enjoying the Kaamulan Festival. So maglahi tagdalan adto ta sa Higala Ridge.
So shout out to JBG Travels in Heaven, and of course John Dolahite. Amigo, maayong hapon.
That's strange. Anyway, hello JBG up there, Big Brother. Hello JD of Texas, Miss Bev Wenzel,
Peace.
to 96 Chevrolet Chev, to Holly 6.5L, to Michael Marion, Amy H, Sir Paul, Dale Everett, and to all our local and internationally subscribers and consistent supporters.
Thank you everyone as always, and I hope this audio will be perfectly fine. Yes.
I hope I will be heard.
Because the first time that I installed the earpiece, it's something like a little bulky and it hurts my ear, so I decided to dig down the helmet to bury the earpiece a little deeper. But it changes the audio that I heard from MJ's talking. It's like she's underneath, so from my hearing, but hopefully on the audio output would be different and would be clearer. So it's a test drive with our brand new helmets with
The gadgets.
Cardo 4 Plus, courtesy of our big brother JBG Travels.
In heaven. We miss you, no Juan.
Which we are dying to use it.
Yeah, you've been talking about it since he gave it to John John, and unfortunately we only have we got only to buy new sets of helmets recently due to budget constraints. So yeah,
So we
here it is, no Nung JPG, nung Juan, here it is. We're using the Pardo Bluetooth and it's so amazing.
So we enjoyed the voice command features.
And the sound is, you know, pretty good because it's JBL.
So okay ra akong tingog?
Yeah,
Walay na usab?
yeah.
Okay, so
Oh my god, there is so cool back.
so we are traveling the uptown part of Cagayan de Oro City.
This is Mastersons Avenue.
This was before a road going to the airport in Lumbia.
The old airport, which is now a military base.
Air Force Base.
Yeah. US Air
No, Philippine Air Force.
Okay.
So they converted the airport to an Air Force base in the Philippine Air Force, and the new one is in Laguindingan, which is
Outside the city proper, which is part of Misamis Oriental. So we
so
will be meeting also our friend Ayan to the place where we're going, and you know we'll just chill, weekend chill after days of busy work.
thank you John Dolhait for our brand new tires as always.
Salamat Sir Janie of Texas.
Oh, look at this, a multi-cab. The plate number is JBG.
Oh my god, what a coincidence.
Oh, I'm gonna zoom it on the 360. JBG.
Oh my God. Manong, nagpaparamdam ka talaga.
So that's JBG.
Oh my god.
So finally JBG travels to the heaven. So again guys, I hope everyone is doing fine and enjoy the ride. Peace.
Come with us and enjoy the ride.
Shout out to 96 Chevy, to Miss Bev Wenzel, to Michael Marian, Adam Pierce,
Hello Sir Adam.
and to our silent Maritis. Sa among mga Maritis diha, ala, salamat sa inyong pagpaminaw sa atong istasyon.
I think we won't be catching up the sunset.
What time is it? 5:29. Yes, we can.
Well, the view here from here is kind of hazy.
Do I have my wallet?
I don't know. Let me check. Thumbs up check.
You got it?
Yeah. The guy ahead of us.
Yeah. He noticed the 360, but he didn't know that it's off.
But the GoPro 12 is working, so
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, katong among mga silingan diha. Naglag-lag mi sa gitawag nila nga Higala Ridge. Tayo magpa-chill-chill.
Higala Ridge. You know, Sir JD, the word Higala is deep Visayan word that it translates friend in English.
Yeah, higala or amigo is the same.
Yeah. But in Cagayan de Oro, we opt to use Higala rather than amigo.
Yeah, that's why there is Higalaay
Higalaay
Festival. Oh!
I think these cars are going to Higala Ridge as well.
I don't know. So, by the way, I am using the GoPro 12 just to try the effects of the Cardo and to avoid the freezing of the GoPro 8, which I frequently experience during even our short ride.
I guess it's already busted.
Nah.
Because it will freeze even if the weather is not that hot. Right?
Yeah. That's the one issue of the GoPro, that the overheating, but in some cases, especially
In a tropical country like us,
yeah, and the
the
cold,
weather can be so warm or hot.
yeah.
Look at this street right here.
So we are here, turning right and going up.
Go, Wiley.
This is where our motorcycle is struggling to climb up.
Yep.
So first gear and its second gear, it's fine as long as it's a continuous run. Oh, holy smokies.
Literally smoke.
Yep, that's JVG's line. So do you know the way? I don't know the way.
No, I don't know either. I think it's there.
Yeah, that's it. So it's like a, we need to see the left turn or this way signage.
Right turn. The left turn, yeah.
Left turn. Yeah. Sumuman ang nag-grass fire sa una, ito hindi ata sa reeds. Okay, you want to overtake? Go. Go, Miley.
Struggling.
No, she's okay. So Eden Sulas, and it would be on the left. So where could it be? Where's the sign? Where's the sign? There it is. Higala Ridge.
Yeah.
This way to Higala Ridge. Amo ta mga giane.
Here.
Diri. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, JBG is there.
Where?
The multi-cab that has JBG on its plate number.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So this is a private land or property that is they used access road to get in there.
So this multi-cab lives here.
Oh, JBG is here.
Yeah.
There, JBG is here. So JBG lives here. Okay.
Diba? What a coincidence. We're just talking about him and then boom.
Yep. Mayong hapon.
Ngayong hapon. Oh my God, look at the sun.
Yep.
It's fiery.
So, si Rivani?
I don't think so.
Agpas kay ang sunset.
It's so pretty. Oh my God, honey. There it is.
I cannot overtake. Use your phone na.
Oh my God.
You go and I'll find a place.
This is the Higala Ridge.
Mayong hapon. Ina nga, blanket naman yung dala.
Naman si Ayan siya ibabay ito for age.
Yep. Go there first.
Ikaw na bayad ha.
So we're here. Ayos na palunga. So we can talk. So guys, finally.
Balik ako, kadali lang kayo. I-catch lang na ako ang sunset. Kay mo saop na siya.
So here we are at the place. We finally arrived here. So it's a nice place. So thank you guys. Peace. And you can turn it off. Among friend.
Hi, friend!
Nga dato.
Hi, Iping friend.
Muli siya pero may among guide kung asa may mga dito.
Guide yun. Nakita pa yung naman ko.
Yeah, I'm a leader. Leader of the band.
One end. Tama tayo, Pastor.
Atong leader of the band, atong kapitan.
Tao dito.
Hindi nakita, nakita na mo. Dito ba, patungas. So dapat daw, money diri para masapun yun ang nindot nga sa reset 130.
Wala sila nagpingon.
Sabot yan mo riba sa 4. Muna sila makasabot yay.
Mo ba yan?
Alas 4.
Pagtanaw ako sa imong story ba?
Nagulat-hulat naman kung kuan nila
Ano ko
update.
si Aya, nag-agapi-happy na dito. Madayon pa kami ani.
Mo to dito pag chat ni mo ko. Kumusta naman dai halaga higda dito. Ang isa kasakyan kuha pa sa upol daw.
So pwede na diri.
Mauna na ko sa inyo ha eh. Abi na mo.
Hello sa telepon niya.
Sila tong email.
Naidin og solar. Sige, dito na solar. Naidin og solar. Sige, dito na solar.
Maguna-una o plasta mo dili.
Ito lagi dapat trabaho.
Oo, sila dito tapos.
Tama din sila ibang
Lagi ka na rin mo ka nagsaba mi.
abot nami. Tutod.
Hi, welcome to Higala Ridge.
Abot ng mga lagad.
Nag-room. Oh my God.
Comment section. Oo na. Hindi mo na ko ng zoom.